Have you ever thought about this? The sun is so powerful it could fill this entire video frame with blinding white light. So why is everything behind it completely black? Logically, the universe should be glowing like the inside of a light bulb, but it's not, and the reason breaks something in your brain. Here's something nobody tells you in school. Light doesn't illuminate space, it travels through it. Those are two completely different things. Here on Earth, step outside, look up. The whole sky is bright even if you cover the sun with your hand. That's because sunlight is crashing into air molecules and scattering in every direction. It's called Rayleigh scattering. The sky isn't a source of light, it's a surface being hit by light. Now remove the air, remove the molecules, remove everything. Suddenly, sunlight becomes a silent, invisible bullet, shooting through total emptiness at 0.3 million kilometers per second and lighting up absolutely nothing. That flashlight in your drawer? Shine it across a perfectly clean, fog-free room at night. The beam is nearly invisible from the side. Space is that room, except it's 93 billion light-years wide. Here's where it gets personal. You think you're seeing light right now. You're not. You're only seeing the tiny fraction of light that accidentally hits your eyes. Every second, trillions of photons are flying past you, above you, through you, and you register 0 of them. The sun looks blindingly bright, not because space around it is lit up, but because those photons are aimed directly at your retina. Tilt your head 2 degrees to the left, you'd be looking at black emptiness, while light from the most powerful object in our solar system passes a centimeter from your eyeball. You are swimming in an ocean of invisible light, and you can only see the drops that land on your tongue. If this already broke your brain a little, good. Hit subscribe right now, because in 60 seconds, I'm going to tell you about a glow that's literally everywhere in the universe, okay? New problem. Let's say light can reach you. Fine. If you shrink the sun down to the size of a tiny grain of sand, the nearest star would also become a grain of sand, but it would be about 6 kilometers away. In between them? Nothing. Just empty space. Now think bigger. There are hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone, but they are so far apart that space between them is unbelievably huge. Because of this distance, the light from most stars spreads out as it travels and becomes so weak that your eyes can't even detect it. That's why space looks dark, not because there is no light, but because the light is too spread out to see. This actually bothered scientists so much they gave it a name, Olbers paradox. If the universe is infinite, with infinite stars, every single line of sight from your eye should eventually hit a star. The night sky should be a wall of solid fire. It isn't. And the reason it isn't is one of the most profound discoveries in all of science. The universe isn't infinite, not in the way that matters here. It has a time limit. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. That means light from further than 13.8 billion light years away. It hasn't reached us yet. We're not seeing the full universe. We're seeing a bubble, the observable universe, limited by the speed of light and the age of time itself. And it gets stranger. Space is expanding, right now, faster than you think. Some galaxies are racing away from us so fast that the light they're sending will never catch up. Those galaxies are gone from the observable universe forever, even though they still exist. The light they're sending is being stretched thin, redshifted into microwaves, into radio waves, until it becomes the faintest whisper of radiation called the cosmic microwave background. It's a glow from the Big Bang itself. It's literally everywhere. It's passing through this room right now, and it is completely invisible to human eyes. So here's the real answer. Space isn't dark because there's no light. Space is dark because light needs something to scatter off. Space has almost nothing, and almost all light misses your eyes completely. The darkness isn't empty. It's full of invisible light, of dead star signals, of Big Bang radiation. You're just not built to see any of it. And here's the part that actually broke me when I first learned it. Every star you see in the night sky tonight, you're not seeing it as it is. You're seeing it as it was. thousands, millions, sometimes billions of years ago. And here's the question that follows from that. If we can only see the past, is there any way to know what the universe looks like right now? The answer involves black holes, the speed of light, and a limitation so fundamental, it means we are permanently physically blind to the present state of the cosmos. That video is already up. Subscribe so you don't miss it.